How to know if someone is on another call on Instagram. Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to know if someone is on another call on Instagram. This can be really helpful when you're trying to reach someone but can't get through, so let's dive right in. Now, you need to simply tap on your message icon located in the top right, and from here, when you are chatting with someone on Instagram, you might notice a status indicator next to their profile picture. If you see a green dot, it means they are online and active, but remember, this does not necessarily mean they are available for call. Now, as you can see that the person is active now, but we don't know if they are available for video call or not. In order to check it, you need to simply tap on the video call option in order to video call them. As you can see, I'm trying to contact this person, but I'm not able to reach them. It means that they might not be available for video call. Now, you need to keep in mind that identifying if someone is on another call on Instagram is not always straightforward, but by keeping an eye on their status indicator and considering the timing, you can get a better idea. So that's it for today guys. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Also, don't forget to click that notification bell to never miss an update. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.